What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I got a very funny and strange window cleaning story for you guys. For those who've been following me, some of you may have remembered I mentioned about a guy, a Jewish man I used to work for a long time ago. And this guy, Tony, he had working for, this guy, Tony, he had working with me, right? Tony went off and started his own window cleaning business. He catches the bus to do his work over in Philly, right? So I told Tony about the magic eraser, and he said, man, I'm glad you showed me that magic eraser. He said, yo, I gotta tell Marcus this stuff. Yo, he got a job yesterday, right? An owner came out the restaurant and asked him how much to clean his windows. He told him $60, right? He had about 20 windows. He got done about 15 minutes. He said he never took his bucket out. He walked in there with the magic eraser, and he magic erased the heck out of those windows. He said, Marcus, he said, man, they came out so good. The manager said, he said, you done already? And he said, yep. He said, but all you used was a sponge. He said, excuse me, so he says, excuse me, is your windows clean? And the guy said, yeah, but, he said, but nothing. He said, this is the new millennium. He said, this is how we clean the windows. So the guy says, he just sit there and looked at him and shook his head. He said, Marcus, sometimes I leave my bucket at home. The only thing I got in my pockets is a magic eraser in every single pocket. He said it took him 3 magic erasers to clean that job. I was cracking up. I said, Tony, man, you crazy. He started cracking up. He said, boy, I was cracking up, man. He told me, the guy said, well, what happened to the water? He said, this is the new millennium. This is how we clean the windows now. And the guy sat there and believed him. And he paid him. I said, God damn, Tony. I said, that's crazy. Isn't that nuts? He told the guy that this is how we clean windows now. I started rolling. He took out his magic erasers and cleaned all the windows with it instead of using his squeegees and mops. I said, damn, Tony, who does that? He said, I do. I said, damn. He said, Marcus, sometimes I don't even bring my bucket out. I just come out with my magic erasers. I said, damn, Tony. I said, boy, you a bad mamma jamma. I thought that was kind of funny. I should share that strange and funny story. But I gotta get to work. This is Masters at Wagtail with another live canvassing. I noticed that this place, pizza store, has taken over from another pizza store that I tried to get many years ago, and it didn't seem like they were going to last because the owner tried to tell me the owner wasn't in, and I was talking to him. You feel me? He didn't know I knew he was the owner, but he told me the owner's not in right now. So I already knew they was off some sideways stuff to begin with. But whether or not these people are going to come at me sideways, the windows are nasty. They're filthy. They got bird doodle on there, pollen, all that jazz. But they just not too long opened up. But you see, they got a car that has a full body wrap of the advertisement of their business. So if they went all out and dedicated that vehicle as part of their business, after all, it is a write-off, then, I mean, you know, they must think they're gonna be doing good, or maybe they have another location. You don't know these things, but we're gonna go in here and we're gonna try and get this sucker, and y'all can come along and join, and see what's. All right. Okay. Is the boss here?
The boss is not here.
Okay.
He'll be here in about a half hour.
Half an hour. Well, I'm gonna leave my car.
All right, I can have him give you.
How long y'all been here?
A month and a half.
Yeah. There used to be another pizza store here.
That shit was ass, wasn't it?
Well, I wouldn't know about that, but it didn't seem like they was gonna last long.
Yeah,
So.
they were. Everybody that come by, they be saying that they were on another level.
Oh yeah? Well, it seemed like y'all went all out. Y'all got a fully body wrapped car over there dedicated to this business.
Yeah.
After all, it is a write-off
That's
anyway.
what happens
But
when you put Arabs behind a little bit of money.
yeah, y'all must think y'all gonna be doing good. So,
We are doing good.
well, see, there you
Knock
go.
on my dick.
The confidence. Y'all got another location?
We're thinking about it.
Expanding in Cherry Hill.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Well, I wrote a price on the back for to clean these windows.
Okay.
So, even if he wanted to try it out for the first time, just to see what it's like, I'm willing to do a one-shot deal, but guarantee you he'll like the job. Just let me know when he's ready.
I got you, my man.
All right, take it easy.